Hello everyone, my name is Sunny and my project is Port Connection. So the name Port Connection comes from the existing port convention development, and my project provides a new vision for the plan by creating equitable connection, affordable housing, and recreational shoreline. Here's the site location near the Swan Park. In the whole framework, the port connection plays an important role in the T-junction, with the connection both inland and on the water. And here's the site research and analysis. The site locates in the intersection between White Owl and Black Butterfly, where there's inequitable transit, and then how to connect people to jobs more efficiently. The site is also segmented by industrial areas and brownfield, where there's no consistent shoreline. So how to connect people to the shoreline more actively? The main connection in the site is the Port Covington Plan. It is a waterfront revitalization project with residential, retail, and office. Despite the huge proposed funding, the feedback is not that positive. The city councilman said that the public resources are concerned whether they are benefiting the neighborhoods. So how can we adjust the plan? The park plans in the site include Swan Park and West Park Covington Park. Swan Park is reopened 10 years ago after soil contamination, mainly serves for private baseball activities. The West Covington Park was reopened 6 years ago with conservation and recreational activities. Through this section, you can see elements on both sides separated by the swing bridge. So it is really significant to build the connection. And then here comes the goal and impacts. So by achieving the port connection project, the first one is the equitable connection, is to have different community connection between different communities and improve walkable and bikeable trails to both jobs and shoreline. As for the economic equity, by adjusting the Port Covington Plan, the impact is to create local jobs through construction, maintenance, and programming of landscape projects. As for decarbonization, the impact is to expand, improve, and protect ecologically rich and socially beneficial natural areas and public space. Standing at the pier of the Middle Branch Park, you can see the beautiful waterfront view. Standing at the abandoned railway next to Swing Bridge, you can see the Swan Park. And this is standing at the Swing Bridge, and you can see the West Port is on the other side of the waterfront. And this is when we drive on the highway. We can see the whole site. So the first step is to put the existing Port Covington Plan on the site, and we want to add the connection to Westport, Cherry Hill, and Federal Hill. In the larger scale, this T-junction plays an important role to connect to different neighborhoods. By changing the parcel based on the connection trail, the Swan Park is moved north to provide buffer from highway. And we can also keep some existing condition of the Port Covington Plan, And by adding residential buildings, commercial, retail, and manufacturing, the adjusted plan tends to keep the same amount with Port Covington Plan providing 1,200 dwelling units, 80,000 square feet retail, and 100,000 feet manufacturing spaces. And then more detailed design to the waterfront to provide shoreline trails and or taxi station, and also a transit hub. In a larger scale, the water taxi goes between my site and Westport's fishing pier and Middle Branch Park's rolling pier. The bird view shows the connection of different communities and the shoreline. Looking from the water taxi pier, the trail connects people to the shoreline. And this is looking from the swing bridge. The structure itself could be painted to become a signature of the city, and the connection contains a walk pedestrian bike trail. Looking inside the residential area, the green space in the middle provides place for people to gather, with bike road and pedestrian next to it. As for the performance, besides strong connection, the plan creates 1,500 local job opportunities, as well as 200 more tons of carbon offset. And that's the end of my project. Thank you.